for today. So the gap closed this morning during the Asian session at the open, pretty much in that area there. We'll see it now in the lower time frames, but the gap did finally close. We're busy selling off at the moment, but that is not really something to worry about just yet. I think this has been one-way traffic all the way up, and I don't see a reason for it to stop. We do have data today. We've got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. We did have some data come out yesterday, which is indicating that there are far fewer jobs that were created, and we still closed on our high. So anyway, just goes to show the fundamentals are shot at the moment. So what you think are economic fundamentals and what should be happening in the market is not what's happening. Investors are only interested in one thing, and that's the money that the Feds are pumping in. So as the dollar weakens, what you're seeing at the moment is a weaker dollar, and then what's happening is people are getting out of the dollar and they're looking for other instruments to invest in. And what better way to invest than something which is giving you a return at the moment of 50%. Okay, so this is what's fueling this at the moment. But anyway, let's just get down to what's transpiring here. So the 3 hour, we are tails to the downside, tails to the upside, total confusion, barbed wire, and this is the norm for when you've got big data coming out. Okay, we've got the jobs number today, and then we've got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So, and then at the same time is we've got the Fed stimulus package, which now there's noise coming out that it is almost finalized and it should be released shortly. So market's going to tread water until we get some of those bits of data in. But you can see how the Asian session closed the gap. Okay, 333 was the target that I was aiming for, so that target has been done. Now what we're waiting for is a decent pullback and then an opportunity to buy back into this. I don't know whether we're going to get a decent pullback. I have a feeling that this range is pretty much the consolidation that we're going to get. Okay, so you can see the buyers scaling in down here. Even if this gives way, you're going to find buyers coming in down here at 3,300. So for me right now, I would expect this gap to close again during the European session, and possibly, well, not possibly, more than likely during the US session as well. So this level is going to be tested. It's going to probably form into the top of a range for now. You'll find that being the top of the range, and then this down here being the bottom of the range. Okay, so for me, I am sit on hands until the data is out later this afternoon, unless I see something different. But for now, that's what I'm looking at. Any pullback down, any pullback into 3,300, I will be buying. Okay, so for now, it's sit on hands. Target has been met. Been a bit messy yesterday, and it's basically met at the Asian Open. But we will wait and see what transpires now. I have a feeling we're going to just muck around like this for the rest of the day until the jobs number, at least this afternoon, unless we have an announcement on the stimulus package that comes out just before the jobs number. So it depends on the jobs number. I mean, if jobs number is going to be really bad and the Fed decide to make the announcement at the same time, you know what the volatility that's going to create. But anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. So wait for this. The gap being tested, I mean, that is 33.37 is an area to be tested, but I think I need to just give you the next level to the upside, because that is more than likely what we'll be tagging next, and that is 33.59. 33.59. Once 33.59 goes, you're then looking at the previous all-time high, which is 33.95. Then you're going to be looking at 3,400, and then you're going to start looking at all-time highs. Okay, so that's kind of the view at the moment, and there's no reason why it can't get up to that level right now. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view at the moment. Wait patiently and wait for some kind of structural pullback and buy into this. And targets, 3 targets on offer: 3333 or 3337, and then get through that 3359. Get through that, then you're looking at 3395, 3400, and after that it'll be all-time highs, and you'll basically be trading it like a Nasdaq. Okay, anyway guys, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.